Names names are used to acknowledge someone. But what if these names are used in a wrong way? To discriminate, tease, and hurt someone. Name calling is a long time problem that has led to complicated things. Given the situation, it is not being prioritized. So it leads to more complicated things and make it difficult to solve.
Based on our research, name calling has multiple consequences. First is that victims erodes the sense of self. Over time, name calling and other insult can slowly eat away the victim's self-esteem, and the victim no longer see him or herself realistically.
Second, the victims compromise their beliefs and values. Name calling may cause the victims to bend to peer pressure and compromise their beliefs to escape bullying.
Third, it impacts the victim's name, identity, and behavior. When when a bully calls another person a name, they are attempting on how they see the victim and may change the victim's behavior and personality.
Fourth, opens the door to violence. Victims tend to fight back and can cause the physical injuries.
Fifth, encourage internal criticism. Name calling often take on the name as reality. So they began to criticize themselves. Sixth, affect victims' health. Physical and mental health may be ugly and affect the victim to die.